It's the 9th of September 2021 today. We have Laajaniityntie and Breddingsvägen 10 staircase F here in Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa in Martinlaakso, modernized. Here in Helsinki, it's Warsaw-region in Finland, 6 floors here. It was built in 1970 by ValmetSchlieren. They're 50 years old in last year, 2020. It will be inspected the next year, 2022, and the SIN number fee is 2059. And the capacity is 3 persons to 5 cars. And I think at the moment we still have the stickers A, B, and C left to be filmed. I don't know if it's filmed D, but
yeah.
Or is it D? Is D filmed?
No.
Yes, this it's 4. So
Yeah.
we can check them later.
Yeah.
They have renovation works going on here,
Yeah.
changing pipes and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Expected occupancy maintained by Spicy.
Yeah. Doesn't really matter so much that these walls are covered like this now, because these staircases are completely locked off.
Yeah.
Code nothing.
Yeah.
This was the only one.
That's